stick up cam battery ring from Ring. I need to install one outdoor. So let's open it. Okay. We got this. This is the camera. Charger cord, and of course we can use the any USB adapter or plug like the iPhone or the Android. And the manual. So to remove the battery, we'll have to remove this. Let's see. Up and there. Because there is a slot here that goes inside, and then if you want to return it, just push up. I got my Phillips screwdriver. And I remove it for this one. Or we can put it here. You can put it like this or just put it there. Oh, actually, I don't need to remove this. I thought the battery is in here. Let's remove this. And you can remove this film of the camera. Okay. Ooh. There you go. We can fill that up. Now, it says here, lock, unlock, twist to the left. Unlock and just pull. There. Now, once I remove this, of course I have to charge this. This will activate. Let's remove this. Well, actually we can remove this. It says push. Yeah, push and remove. There. Now, I think there is some juice in here that we can start setting it up. We can charge this later. And now the blue. Now I have to do that in my iPhone setup. just a few things. You can see it here. You can remove that for installation of there the slot, and this one there. Okay, now push, and this one will have to go. See, I attach it here. I can attach it like that, or that. Okay, this one, oh, that's for the, I have to find out, but this one you can attach it so that you put this on the wall so it goes like this. But I'm gonna just put it on stand up. So you see that, the gray marker, we have to push and twist to the right for the lock. There. So we can put this back, but I have to charge the battery. Just want to show you how to put it back. Now we have to push. Okay, and I'm using this charger. Plug it. So I'm gonna plug this one here. It shows green, orange when it's charging, and when it's fully charged, you will just see the green. So this will take a long time. When it's only green, it's fully charged.